Hi guys, I received a message from Santa Claus 3000. It says, "Hi Duncan, I recently watched your deleting deleted data, removing recoverable files sub-Q video, and I was wondering if there is a program that protects files from being deleted. For example, I have an encrypted file with my passwords in it and I don't want it being deleted accidentally or not. Thanks a lot, I really like your videos." Cloudo, that word. Thanks for your message, Cloudo. Now, what you're looking for is a program, but you can actually have this functionality in Windows XP. Now, I'm actually going to show you this in XP Professional. I don't think it works in XP Home, and it might work in a slightly different way in Windows Vista. So you might want to follow along and see if you can actually do it in your operating system, but primarily I'm showing you XP Pro, because XP Pro actually has this functionality built in. So I'm just going to show you it. So let's get started. I'm going to make a folder, and I'm going to call it undeletable, and I'm going to call it undeletable for an obvious reason, and I'm just going to go into it and I'm going to make a file, and it's going to be called my stupid passwords.txt, and my password inside it is going to be called password. There we go. So I've saved my passwords into a text file, and I'm going to make it encrypted. Encrypt contents, okay, encrypt the file only, my stupid passwords.txt, so that's now encrypted. Now, what I want to be able to do is lock myself out of deleting this file and lock myself out of deleting this file. Now, what we need to do, if I just show you before I turn the feature off, if I right click and go to properties, you'll see it has a sharing tab. Now this is actually called simple file sharing, and you can basically share folders to people, and it's really simple to do through this thing. What I'm actually going to do is turn that off for a reason which I will show you. So I'm going to go to Tools, Folder Options, View, scroll down, and turn off Use Simple File Sharing. Now XP Home users won't have this, I don't think, so they won't be able to do it. So it's up to, just have a go, see if it works. So I'm just going to say OK. And now, if I right click this and go to properties, you'll notice I have a sharing and a security tab. Now, a security tab is the most important, but I'll just show you this. This is the old style sharing. It just basically shows a more involved thing. So, security here. Now, Windows Vista users may know this from, or people who may know this sort of view. When I try to enable custom themes in Windows Vista, I show you this. It was a view like this. But anyway, I'm going to go to my user that is logged onto this system. I'm just going to go to Duncan, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to go for special permissions. I'm going to say advanced. So I'm just going to say advanced. Now, basically what I'm going to do is at the moment I have full control over my folder. It says this folder, subfolders and files, I've got full control. I'm actually going to deny myself access to delete the files and the subfolders. So I'm just going to say edit, and you'll notice it says permissions, and everything's set to allow at the moment. These are all the permissions I can change, and you'll notice it says delete subfolders and files, delete. I'm just going to turn these off. So that's deny here, so I've just denied it. Delete subfolders and files and delete. Click OK. OK, let's say you are setting a deny permissions entry. What are you doing? Deny entries take precedence over allow entries. That means that you can't delete your file, which you want to do in the first place. Do you want to continue? Yes. And click OK. Now what I'm going to do is try and delete it. Are you sure you want to remove the folder undeletable? Yes. It's trying to delete it, and it's struggling. Cannot delete my stupid passwords.txt. Access is denied. Please make sure the disk is not blah 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 blah. So I've actually just denied myself access to my own folder. Well, not completely. I've denied myself access to delete my own folder. So if I can actually go back into my stupid passwords and type another one in, password 2, save it, and it's actually changed the file. So don't think that you haven't got any access to your file. You just basically can't delete it. It's undeletable, because what you've basically done is set permissions on that file. You've actually revoked your own permissions to delete that file. So that's pretty much it. So I hope this helps, Santa Claus or Cloudo, or whichever your name is. Thanks for watching my video. Please comment, rate, subscribe if you like my videos, and thanks again.